Back at you again with another video. Today, we installing frame sliders. Alright YouTube, so we're opening this together. I ordered this from Thailand, Thailand. I ordered it off eBay. I'll put a link in the description below. But usually, man, the placement and the pricing for these things change. So if I post the link and you can't find it, it's probably because the company moved it to another area. Oh man, this is a lot of parts. So I'm gonna try to do an in-depth. I'll try to take my time making this video so that you guys can fully understand how to install this on a Honda CBR650R. Because it doesn't come with any instructions, as you can see. So I'm gonna install this based off the photos that I seen with the link to this product, if that makes any sense. But yeah, let's get started, man. All right, so I'm trying to gather without instructions on how this goes, and according to the photo, this one is open and these two are open. So the way I got this lined up, there's gonna be one bolt that looks like this. This goes, first you need I don't know what this is called, but you're gonna need this part right here. You're gonna push it through the top part of this, all the way through. The flared out side of this goes towards the puck, like this, and then this part goes here. And then you'll need a 8mm Allen key head, which fits perfectly, and then this is what locks it in place. Alright, so let me look at the photo and figure out some more stuff. So far this is what it should look like, and then it's going to come with two little small Allen keys. It's inside of a little bag that locks this guy in place right there. So this goes pretty much like that, but I don't want to put it in there because I haven't tightened down that bolt inside. So let me take it back off and then we'll continue on. All right guys, so the clutch side, the 2 bolts or 3 bolts you want to take off, 1, 2, and then this engine mount bolt here. There's a little a big spacer that comes with the kit. It's gonna go in between this bolt and the long bolt that's inside the box. And then you're gonna take these 2 off, and then you're gonna put the other longer bolts for this side. So let me do that real quick, find out what Allen keys I need, and then I'll get started. All right, so real quick, this is a 4.5, and then this is an 8. So remember the 8 I used to tighten this down is the same 8 you'll use to take this off and put the new one on. So again, this is trial and error. I'm gonna try to use this one of the 2, these 2 screws, this half long bolt, and those to hold it in place. I think I'm doing this wrong, but let's find out. So let me finish taking these off and then we'll go. All right guys, I'm still trying to figure this out, but like always, save your OEM parts. You never know. Save your OEM parts. So just by mocking this up, right, you comes with these little 3, right? The ones that you'll need is this one for the clutch side, this longer one. This one goes on the other side, and then of the 2 long ones, you're gonna need this long one, not this one. All right, so with that said, I've taken out the 2 here and the 1 there. I'm gonna put this one, well, it's not gonna stay, but this one goes here with the shorter of the 2 bolts to hold the engine, frame, and frame slider in place. And then underneath or behind this black part here, you're gonna put, I'm gonna definitely need 2 hands, but you're gonna put this and then these 2 with these 2 screws, and then you're gonna screw them down to hold it all in place. So let me do that real quick and I'll show you what I mean. All right guys, so I finally got it put all together. So remember, you're gonna use this bolt, this one. I put a lock washer on the inside, and then I put the longer of the short, and then the smallest one back there. All right guys, so welcome back. I had to take this off at least 4 times. So real quick, let me show you something. This one here is gonna be a gap because the screws on this side are too long. So I ended up having to find a washer to put in between the 2 so that it can be firm. So keep that in mind when you're installing this on the clutch side. If you don't do that, when you install on the clutch side, the bolt's gonna be too long, you might crack your case. You don't wanna crack it. All right, so now that I got this one tightened down, so that you don't mess up this side of this bracket, don't use don't use this or the lock washer. If you use either or, it's gonna scratch up the aluminum here, and it can mess up. You're just gonna waste your time. I just bolted it directly to the frame. No washers, no anything in between. Just not gonna work. So now that I got that part done, then you wanna install this one. When you install it, make sure this part, I had it on the wrong side. This was on the other side. You want this part to face down, so it looks a lot cleaner from the top. On the other side of the bike, it was like this, and it was facing up. Nope, you want it to face down. And then you put this here, and then that's the install. All right, guys, so I finally got the video done, and this is the finished product. I'm gonna see if I can get some rolling footage of it on the bike, but this is basically what it looks like on the clutch side. So it should face like kind of upward, more towards the front of the bike, and then on this side, stator side, it should face straight up. So one of them is facing more forward, the other one is facing all the way up. So this is what it looks like on the CBR650R. All right, so I want to thank you guys for watching, and I hope that you guys have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful day.